Okay, here I got the Phantom Fury 10 amp. This is my favorite version of the Fury that I own. And I'm going to do a living room vacuuming with it. So, some stuff, base. Recently cleaned this up and ran this the other day and it picked up a good amount of stuff. This one is my only Phantom that has the attachments with it. None of my others have any attachments. Got the dusting brush, pet hair tool, obviously slides off to be just like straight suction nozzle. On. Got the crevice tool and the bare floor tool. And it has the adapter thing to hold this on it and the adapter thing to hold this on it. So that's good. You can see it's very nice condition. I oiled the motor in it and it has a weird smell now. So part of it, like a lot of it's trapped in the HEPA filter, so I'm going to actually take that out to run this because I need to get a new filter. Okay. I took this back piece off of my 12 amp Fury because this one was missing these stickers, and since this is my favorite model and my 12 amp is just my daily driver, I wanted this one to have all the original stickers that it would. So I put that whole piece on here, and there's something else I took from the 12 amp Fury. Oh yeah, this little piece with that sticker right there, I put on this also. So it looks a bit better. If I flip this over here, I gotta be careful. Bare floor tool out of the way. Down here it's in really nice shape. The wheels aren't scratched up all that much. It's kind of difficult to see. Here we go. Brush roll, it moves up and down a bit. I don't know why. But it's not too bad. It's definitely not like my 12 amp Fury. That cover isn't really warped, I don't think. So that's good. Obviously that's all in good shape. Even like the stickers are really nice. So, sorry about the sink turning on and off 50 times. So let's, also the writing on the power switch just wiped off of it. I don't know. So let's plug this Phantom Fury in. Sorry about the camera freezing. And let's vacuum. I don't have most of my collection with me right now. I only have my Phantoms and a few of the Dynamites, most of the Dynamites, and a Eureka Optima that I got at Goodwill, which I need to do a video on. And I'm supposed to be getting a special edition Fury. So, let's give this a run. I also oiled the brush roll bearings. Oh, right. That smells really bad. It's not arcing. It smells like it has a metallic-y smell. I hope that's just the oil. Oh, it's not good. For some reason the carpet's really stained right there, like where they painted a while ago. Oh, this place is shit. So, let's see if I got up any more. Definitely got up a bit more stuff. So overall, not too bad for, you know, an area that's just been vacuumed, especially all that fine dust. So these do clean well, despite what some people will say. These are good cleaners. Now, does it clean as well as the Phantom Thunder? I don't think so. It's close, but the Thunder does have that slight advantage of cleaning better, from what I've heard. And that would make sense, because the Thunder was more expensive. But the Fury is still a good cleaner. It's still making that smell. So I'm hoping that's just the oil. Somebody let me know in the comments, like, what would be causing that smell. The motor is not, like, slowing down or anything, so I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's the motor, and obviously I looked in the exhaust. There's no arcing, so yeah. If anyone knows what it is, let me know. But anyways, that is the Phantom Fury 10 amp vacuuming the living room. Do not ask me for this. It's not for sale. Nothing in the world is going to make me get rid of this. Do not ask for me to sell you my 10 amp Phantom Fury. It's not happening. So, dust. It's one bad thing about these is dust. These gets in there. I just realized the recess switch is like, I'm gonna probably have to take it apart and put that back on it. Actually looks kind of cool without that little thing and stuff. Oh, so that right there. Oh, that's the Phantom Fury. And, yeah.